Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on Itel S25. So here on the main screen you have to select your language and then click next. And now you can insert SIM card or you can click skip. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi or you can click skip again. And here you have to agree to user agreement and services license, and so check this checkbox and then click next. Now click agree. Then you have to scroll down and click accept. Now you can set up a screen lock or you can just click skip. And here you can clone your device or you can click skip. And you have to select the method of your system navigation between buttons and gestures and then click next. Then click on this button to enter your Android system. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.